Are you a busy mom looking to earn a substantial income at home without sacrificing time with your family? Imagine if you were able to make 100,000 or more a year by selling digital. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 actionable steps that's going to show you how you can achieve this. So by the end of the video, you will have a roadmap that will show you exactly how step by step that you can do this and make an income from home using digital products. As someone who has transitioned from working a traditional 9-to-5 job with a commute to now working from home, I understand the different challenges that can arise when you're transitioning to working from home. And so I'm here to walk you through this journey. If you're ready to take a step towards financial success, type success in the comments below and I will send you a free PDF guide that will outline step by step how you can get started. The first thing you want to do is identify your niche. So this may be a term you have heard before, it may not, but basically what that means is that you want to identify what type of problem that you want to solve and for who, right? So think about where your strengths lie, what you're passionate about, what you're interested in, and who you want to help. And that's really your starting point. From there, you would either find or create your own digital product that would then take your customer through a journey to solve the problem that you are trying to help them solve. So this could be in the form of a course, this could be in the form of a ebook, anything digital that you can sell that would help your customer be able to solve the problem that they're trying to solve. So then from there, step 3, once you know who it is you want to help and serve, and you have the product that you want to then in turn sell in order to help your ideal customer with their problem, then you need to build an online audience and have a marketing strategy in order to do so. So think about using different social medias, whichever platform is your favorite to do so, different marketing campaigns, email sequences, that kind of thing. Whether you want to do it all for free from social media, or you want to do paid ads or not, that's up to you to decide. You could do a mixture of both as well. Then step 4 is really key to giving you that freedom that you're seeking when you're having a business to work from home. Because the last thing you want is to just spend 40 plus hours a week still working at home when your whole goal of transitioning from a 9-to-5 is to be at home with your family, having more time with your family, right? So the key to that is automating your business. And how do you do this? So this is about having a landing page set up that would then capture emails and put your customers into an email sequence to give them information so that they can make a decision as to if your product is the right for them. So it's something that's already set up, it's evergreen, and it can just continue to work for you 24/7 while you're spending time with your family. If you're ready to dive deeper, check the link below in my comments and it will give you more information on how you can get started. Step 5 is about connecting with your community. So say you choose YouTube as your social media platform that you want to reach your customers on. How can you provide value to your customers to bring them information that is helpful to them? And then you will assess what is working and what isn't working, and you can make adjustments from there. So you can find out from your community what is beneficial to them, what is helpful for them, and then make tweaks and adjustments as needed. And then one last bonus tip is to then be able to scale your business. So as you get this set up and you get your automations set up and your email funnel set up and your social media is out there and it's all out there working for you 24/7, then from there, once you're bringing in sales and you have it up and running, you figure out how do you scale. And there's a couple of different ways you can do this. You can Of course, do it yourself, but at this point, when you want to scale, usually you're at a place where you can hire on some help. So that could be like taking on a social media manager to then, take your content that you produce for one platform and spread it around to the different platforms to get you more exposure. Or maybe you hire someone to do advertisements for you. Or another option then could be adding on and layering on another comparable like product as well, or some affiliate links as well that complement your main product that you sell. But at the end of the day, it's all about making sure that you maintain that work-life balance and don't scale too quickly so that you aren't back to trading time for dollars. The whole goal of this is to be able to give yourself more freedom. Don't forget to grab the free PDF guide below for more information. The link is in my description below.